If the hands on the G-Shock GA-2100 becomes misaligned, for example after a battery change, or the watch has come into contact with a strong magnet, here's how to fix it. And this fix will also work on the GMA-2100. In this example, the date hand is misaligned and the analog hands are not matching the digital time. You need to start off from the home time screen. If you're not on there already, hold down the bottom left button until you hear the highest pitched beep. Now from the home time screen, hold down the top left button for 5 seconds until you hear a double beep. Use the buttons on the right to align the date hand to Sunday. Holding the buttons down will make the move quicker. Now that the date hand is aligned, press the bottom left button to fix the analog time hands. This time around, use the buttons on the right to set the time to 12 o'clock. Press the top left button to escape. Now everything should be aligned. Thank you for watching, folks. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and I'll catch you next time.